महाराष्ट्र समाज सेवा संघ रचना अँड नवरचना विद्यालय ब्रिज कोर्स स्टँडर्ड 7th सब्जेक्ट English activity number 16. Welcome to this 16th activity of bridge course. In the last video we have learned about part of speech. Today we are going to do the same activity. In this activity we are given some sentences and we have to distribute the word according to their part of speech. Write them down in their belonging column. म्हणजे आपल्याला काही वाक्य दिलेले आहेत, त्या वाक्यातले शब्द आपल्याला पार्ट ऑफ स्पीचच्या वेगवेगळ्या कॉलममध्ये लिहायचे आहेत. ओके, कसे ते बघूया. The first sentence is I like to ride bicycle. In this sentence, I is pronoun, like and ride are verbs, and bicycle is noun. So, write down these all words in their belonging columns. Second word is the monkey is sitting on the tree. In this sentence, monkey is noun, sitting madla sit verb, on is a preposition, and tree is noun. The third sentence is it was a brilliant idea. In this sentence, it is a pronoun, brilliant is an adjective, idea is a noun. It's a kind of noun, abstract noun. पण आपण abstract noun हे जे नाउनचे प्रकार आहेत ते शिकलेले नाहीत. सो आपण इथे फक्त नाउन लिहिणार आहोत. The next sentence is I studied very hard. In this sentence, I is pronoun, studied is verb, very is adverb because it's give more information about verb. Study या शब्दाबद्दल अधिक माहिती very हा शब्द देतोय. So, very is an adverb. Hard is also adverb because it describes studied. The fifth sentence is a plant needs sunshine. In this sentence, plant is noun, needs verb, sunshine is noun. Sixth sentence is the lion roared loudly. In this sentence, lion is noun, roared is verb, and loudly is adverb because loudly word gives more information about roar. The seventh sentence is the cat sat on a mat. In this sentence, cat is noun, sat is verb, on is preposition, and mat is noun. The next sentence is hooray, we won the match. In this sentence, hooray is an interjection, we pronoun, won verb, and match is noun. The next sentence is ouch, that hurts. In this sentence, ouch is an interjection and hurts is verb, but it's a transitive verb. It's a type of verb. Okay? And the last sentence is he is clever but he is lazy. In this sentence, he is pronoun. Clever is an adjective, but is a conjunction because but joining two sentences. And then he is also pronoun and the lazy is an adjective. In this way, copy these all sentences in your English notebook and then write down the words according to their groups of पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश नोटबुक. अशा पद्धतीने सर्व वाक्य इंग्लिशच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून घेणार आहात आणि सर्व शब्द हे पार्ट ऑफ स्पीचच्या कॉलममध्ये लिहिणार आहात.